Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So one question that I always encounter on the channel on previous videos is what are the secrets that these mentors are hiding? What are they doing that's different from everybody else? So in today's video, I am going to give you one key thing that I believe has made your Forex mentor a lot of money and have made them successful whilst you are not. One key thing that if you master it as well, you will probably also start seeing the same level of success that your mentor is seeing. So, by the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our future videos. Like the video, it doesn't cost you anything, but it does mean everything to me when you like the videos, because it means people are liking what I'm doing, sharing the knowledge with you guys for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free, by the way, including anything that you might want to download, forex robots, indicators, books and stuff like that. Everything is in the links in the description box below. The broker that I use, also many people also ask me that question. The link is in the description box below, so go ahead and sign up with them. One of their best offers is for just $5 you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test your forex robots, your strategies, your systems without putting too much capital on the line. Then if you are happy with your strategy, your robot, or whatever that you are testing out, then you can always add more capital to it. So let's go into the video. So the key thing that has made your mentors very successful, or has made them to see the success that you probably also desire in your trading, is always right in front of you. I mean, it's always right in front of you, and many people, unfortunately, they do not notice it. What am I talking about? It's consistency. Consistency. If you are taking notes, you can write that down. Consistency. What you will notice with every mentor, if you go to your mentors, what you notice with every mentor, at least online, is the consistency in their approach to the markets, the consistency in their trading style, in their trading. Everything that they do, they've been doing it year in, year out. The same thing. The same thing. And whilst you and I, we are probably looking for a magic bullet, magic formula from somewhere else, I promise you, go and look at your mentors. You'll find that this thing has been right in front of you and you probably were not seeing it. But they do the same thing every day, literally every day. If he's entering the market at market open, they only do that every day. There's no change of formula. There's no some shady stuff, dancing around the tent and stuff like that. Go and check out your mentor. If they are trading indices, they are trading indices day in, day out. If they are trading synthetic indices, the boom and crash, the volatility 75, they are trading synthetic indices day in, day out. If they are trading moving averages, if they are trading support and resistance, supply and demand, if they are trading with Fibonacci, they are doing it day in, day out. Everything is centered around that consistency. Consistency is one thing that most traders, most struggling traders, or most beginning traders, or most unprofitable traders lack, because they always believe that there is some holy grail hiding somewhere that they need to find. But once you become consistent in your trading, with your trading style, with the trading session that you trade, with the pair that you need to trade. Let's talk about trading sessions. You need to understand the trading session that you want to trade. You need to understand what moves in that trading session. You need to understand which pairs move in that trading session, what moves pairs in that trading session, the ranges, everything. You cannot understand that if you're always jumping from one pair to the next, if you're jumping from one session to the next, jumping from this system to the next, from this strategy to the next. You can never really understand anything. You're jumping from one mentor to the next, one mentor to the next, one system to the next. You can never really understand a trading strategy because you're always hoping, jumping from one thing to the next thing. Something comes on the market, you're in. What you need to do is find something that has got potential to make you money in the markets, and you definitely practice on it day in, day out. Understand what makes it tick. Understand the faults that comes with that strategy. That's what your mentors have mastered. They've looked at a strategy, they've tested it for a very long time. They know the ins and outs of that strategy, the weaknesses, the strengths, everything. That's why sometimes they are even taking losses with the strategy, and they are happy about it because they know no strategy is 100%, but they know that in the long term that strategy makes them money. That's why they are able to come back and still do the same very thing and do it the next day. Most of you take a loss today, you throw away the strategy, you throw away the book, you throw away the system, you throw away the indicator, whatever, and you start looking for another thing right away. Look at your mentors. One thing that you're going to notice about their trading is consistency. Everything that they do, you'll find that they've been doing the very same thing for years. Very same thing, day in, day out, day in, day out. That's what you need to transform your trading. If you're struggling, if you're new to trading, it's something that you really need to master. Master being consistent with your trading, your approach to trading, the tools that you are using, the strategy that you are using, the everything that you are using. Basically, your approach to the market. Master it. Do this thing day in, day out. There are going to be bad days, there are going to be good days. As long as this thing is making you money, master it day in, day out. Promise you, you begin to see better results with your trading. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. Like the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.